Now we will discuss about our next requirement gathering technique, joint application design or JAD. I think if you remember in lecture 1 we have just mentioned about JAD session, okay, in XP I think. Okay. So we will discuss about what is JAD session and how it works. So JAD session, the key idea of JAD session is it allows all the stakeholders to work together. So stakeholder means the manager, the user, the developer, everybody. And it may reduce the scope creep by 15%. Okay. So what is actually the scope creep? As I said earlier in the first lecture, that requirement changes. Always the requirement changes. Okay. Like someone said this one, another person said this one, the designer said this one, the DBA admin said that one. Okay, so like this, so many there are lots of disagreement among those people, okay, or misunderstanding among them. So mm, that change of requirement is called the scope creep. So it may reduce the scope creep by 15%. Okay, and it avoids the requirements being too specific or too imprecise, because if we just make this requirement very specific, so it will be difficult to make any change. So we have to keep in mind that there should be changes in requirements, but we have to minimize that. Okay. So in JAD session, what we do, we invite all these people and have a meeting. It's like a meeting, a group meeting. So in the group meeting, there is a facilitator who actually arranges the meeting with the agendas and guides the discussion. There is a scribe. He is like an assistant to the facilitator, like recording notes, making copies, etc. etc. But the main important thing is that project team, it maybe the developer, the UI designer, database admin are there, the user will be there, from the management will be there. Okay, so all these people sit together, discuss for a long time, like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. Okay, like every 15 days or every 2 weeks they discuss all the things. So what will happen if there is a confusion in some team, like the UI team is confused about something, so he will raise that and others will discuss about it, and the confusion will be gone. The developer may have some confusion. Okay, so in this way all these people work out together. So there are some standard for joint application design, but it's not like you have to do like that. Okay, you can just sit 5 or 6 people together and discuss. But if you do it more formally, then we need U-shaped sitting arrangement. Okay? And there will be a whiteboard or something. Can be some prototyping tool, and also currently there is a electronic jet, e-jet, through online several people can discuss. Okay. Okay, there's nothing to show actually. I just have to know these things. So the jet session, it actually lasts 5 or 10 days over 3 weeks period. Okay, like or in every month, like 3 or 5 days. Okay. So the facilitator, he actually prepared the question and as the similar to the interview. Okay. In interview and jet session, the main difference is interview is for one to one, but jet session is one to many. So there are many people, so you can collect more information, more reliable information, more valid information from uh, from those people. But if you do one-to-one interview, actually there is no way to verify those information. Okay, but in the jet session, if you say something wrong, other will can come up with what you are telling lie or something, or this is not correct, this is right. So in this way they will have an argument, they will have a discussion. Okay, what will be the payment system? So someone said, okay, only credit card. Then another people said, no, not only credit card, people are using internet banking, so we can use internet banking there. Then another the user said that most of the people have mobile banking now, so maybe you can add mobile banking system. Okay, so there is a discussion, and after the discussion we have some report similar to the interview. Okay, so these things, and there is also that I said the post session follow up. Okay, there is some problem in jet session. Suppose the company owner, okay, or the manager or very high level people join the jet team. So he or she might try to dominate that. Okay, whatever I am saying is right. Okay, you are not considering the other decision or others opinion. Okay, so as a facilitator you have to work with that. Okay, you have to reduce those domination. And there are some people, they actually don't want to contribute, might be they are just sitting there, okay, and listening. So you have to encourage them to join in the conversation. So the more people actually join, more people share their opinion, the more information you gather from that meeting. Avoid side discussion, etc., etc. Okay, so if I summarize this jet session, so as I said earlier, jet session is used in Agile or XP. So why actually we use XP? We use XP for to make the development procedure very faster. Okay, so if you have all these people together, okay, then you will got to know many things about the system. Okay, or in otherwise if you just taking interviews, then you are just taking interview for a long time. Okay, it will take a long time to come up with a decision. But if in the jet session, if everybody is there, everybody is discussing, so they can come up with a decision, and you can get those information there. So currently in software industry, jet session is very popular. Like they have e-jet session every month with the like the we have a like the client from USA or some client from Germany, the developer from different parts of the world, they actually join together. Okay, and they said, okay, we have this issue, like the ordering process. What will be the ordering process of the system? Like we have a e-commerce site, like in backend there is Amazon or Alibaba, like that. So if someone ordered through my site, what will be the procedure? How to proceed with the order? Okay. So then they will discuss. Okay, let's do this thing. Then another one said, no, if you do this thing, there will be some problem. I suggest we can do this thing. Okay. So there can be conflict, there can be confusion, but at the end, there must be some agreement. But sometimes looks like there is no final conclusion. So then you have to wait for the next jet session, again raise those issue and discuss those things. Okay, and at the end of jet session actually we have to complete that a report as like as the interview. This is the end of this session.